just want to give you a quick look at my new spray mop. It's the Panda Grip spray mop, and I've just been using it on the floor. I've actually been using this for a couple of weeks now, and several weeks. It's working really well. It has a spray clean, microfiber pads, a refillable bottle, and a 360-degree swiveling head. But it has a nice feel to it. It's lightweight. I like the refillable bottles. You can put water in there or any type of cleaning fluid that you want. And easy trigger for the water. Use this a lot because we have cats and dogs, and it is difficult to keep the floors clean, especially in the kitchen, although this can be used anywhere in the house. I did put some Murphy's oil soap in it and use it on the wood floors. There's the water bottle that just slips right in and out. You can refill it. Nice comfortable handle, and this piece here is something you can use if you want to get something sticky up. It's a little scraper. I actually haven't had to use that, but I like the nice big mop head on it. Being able to change pads easily. I had some pads of the same size from another mop, and I've been using those also. Of the spray mops that I've used, I think this is my favorite. I've used different ones over the years, but this is working out well. Thanks for watching.